absorbing, when Babuji Maharaj says, think of the vacuum present in every cell of your body. Think of the vacuum that is present in every cell of your body. It is the same vacuum he's talking about, which was there at the moment of creation. And that is being transferred all the time from one generation to another generation. It is that vacuum that attracts pranahuti. Pranahuti also belongs to that era, that period. And when they match together, you see, when they both resonate, my inner vacuum in each cell resonates with the pranahuti I get, what happens then? Each cell getting transformed. In the journey, spiritual journey, Babuji Maharaj has described that we move from heart region to Brahman Mandal, to Parabrahman Mandal, to Prapanna Prabhu and Central region. And after that, too, journey continues. And he says we move towards the absolute. And there too, he says, each and every part, every cell of your body gets transformed into divine energy. We don't have to wait till we reach central region in order to change every cell of your body. In fact, we can take up this practice just with an intention, which Babuji Maharaj talks about from the brighter world. That think of the vacuum which is there in every cell of your body. And when we do think of that and we meditate, I think it will change the perception we all have during meditation. And try it. Activate all your senses, and with all your senses, let them go into intense perceptive mode. And prayerfully, with a lot of bhakti, a lot of love, you invoke pranahuti from Babuji and see what happens. Yeah.
Okay.
So remember, bhakti means extreme love. Not to get something, but whatsoever happens, I'm ready to experience that. Or if there is no experience in my life, I will not regret. That should be the level of bhakti. We just meditate with intense love. Now, rest is in your hand, Babuji. That's all. With this, I think you will have a greatest shortcut in Sahaj Marg. Sahaj Marg is itself a shortcut. Now, when you add this, you will add one more shortcut, you see. Okay. I think we leave this much for digesting. I hope all our abhyasis will also have to, listen to you later on, right, Ramananjalu, for translation.